Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to make and add a border in Word Mobile. It's a simple trick, but it really helps make your document look more professional. If you find this useful, consider liking the video and subscribing. All right, let's get started. So first, I like to adjust the view of the document. At the top of the screen, tap on View and set it to Print Layout. This just makes things easier to see. You can also pinch the screen a bit to resize and get a better view. Next, tap on the A with the pen icon at the top to enter Edit mode. Once that opens, tap on Home and then select Insert. From here, tap on Shapes and choose the square shape. You'll see it appear on the page. Now, tap on the shape to select it. Go to Fill, scroll all the way down and choose No Fill. Then head back, tap on Outline, and choose the color you want for your border. I'll just go with black here. Once that's done, tap the Close button. Now you can resize the shape to fit the page. Just tap and hold the edges and drag them until it looks right. Take your time with this so it lines up nicely. And yeah, that's basically it. Tap anywhere outside the shape and you can continue typing or finish your document. It's totally up to you. If this helped you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you again in the future.